If you want to combine multiple photos into one image without downloading any extra apps, here's how to do it using the built-in Shortcuts app on your iPhone. First, find and open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Then, tap on the plus icon at the top right to create a new shortcut. After that, search for Select Photos and tap to add it. Then, tap the action and turn on Select Multiple. This will let you choose more than one photo. After that, search for Combine Images and add it. By default, it will combine the images horizontally. Tap on horizontally if you want to change it to vertically or in a grid. Finally, search for Save to Photos and add it. This will automatically save the final combined image to your Photos app. Then, tap the play button at the bottom to run the shortcut. Then select the photos you want to combine and they will be merged into one single image and saved to your photo library. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.